Okay, everybody, if you've got a bunch of clanging and banging on your rear end, this is a 2006 Honda Element. It's similar with the Honda CR-V. If you go over bumps and stuff and you find out that there's all kinds of noise and clanging and banging, pretty typical of these guys is this is your stabilizer bar, and it runs from this side to the other side, and these are the stabilizer end links right here. And a real good way to find out if it's banging, these stabilizer end links should be super tight. So if you hear this, you can kind of hear a little bit of metal dinging. Well, it's typically these end links are bad, so you have to change those out. And then you can also get these the bushings right up in here too, those guys right there. So you get the stabilizer end links and the bushings and change them out. And I'll show you over here. Here's the other stabilizer end link on the other side, and here's another bushing. You just have to change them out. So like I say, if they're banging like crazy, you can hear it. You hear metal on metal? It's the stabilizer end links you got to change. They're real simple on these guys. It's $50 to do the end links, the nuts for the end links, and the bushings. And it's about maybe a 2-hour job max. Okay, thanks you guys. Adios.